In automotive manufacturing, paint quality defines perfection. Surface defects, color mismatches, and inefficient repair processes still challenge production lines around the world, affecting productivity and performance. To overcome these challenges, 4 leading companies have joined forces to create one integrated vision, bringing together expertise in detection, repair, measurement, and color inspection. It all begins with Eines, delivering precise and automatic paint defect detection through advanced machine vision systems. Using intelligent imaging and AI algorithms, the SV tunnel analyzes the entire surface in real time, identifying the smallest imperfections with microscopic precision. Then comes the automatic sanding and polishing system from Icemi connected to the SV tunnel. Each detected defect is repaired automatically, with unmatched accuracy and repeatability. Every movement is perfectly calculated, ensuring smooth, efficient, and traceable repairs, turning detection into flawless restoration. Next, das-Nano iris system ensures that every layer of paint meets the exact specifications. Using advanced Terahertz measurement technology, the system continuously monitors paint thickness, providing real-time, non-destructive control of each coating layer. Finally, Konica Minolta sensing devices ensures that every color and surface appearance achieves absolute harmony. Together, the 4 companies create the complete ecosystem for paint finishing automation, from detection to perfection.